Hi, I'm Jimbo. I've been here at Ludlow for almost exactly a year now. June is my year anniversary date. Hey, bud.
He was a qualified mechanic when he worked for his dad. You know, they had their own business also.
My entire automotive experience is working for my father. I worked for him for 30 years. When he retired, he in turn turned the business over to me, but at that point, 30 years of it, I was pretty burnt out.
One of the used car dealers that we do a lot of business with recommended him. So we brought him in, and he's been a good fit.
And I'm not going nowhere, not unless he kicks me out.
Jimbo's his own entity. He's his own person. He's Jimbo. That's it.
You need a third hand, Jim?
Dude, I don't think there's room in here for. I can't even get my hands in here.
Uh-oh. That's a tiny spot then.
Dude, telling you, I can't even eat a Whopper. My hands are so small.
Can't get his hands around it.
The first car that I worked on, Chris had me pull the motor on a 72 Monte Carlo, and I was hooked. These old cars, it's a surprise every turn. You don't know what you're getting into till you've got there. Okay, problem number 1 solved. Now on to problem 5,682.
He's one of those, again, multi-talented guys, but he does a lot of the in and out stuff and does a good job with it.
I'm the little guy. I get stuffed into places nobody else will fit. I don't really have one thing that I can specialize in.
He'll do stuff that I can't stand to do. Like if we got one out there in the lot, I don't want to go out there and work in the lot. Nobody wants to roll around on the gravel, but Jimbo loves it.
And Jim likes to work out in the sun.
It is what it is. Like I said, I ain't got a bad thing to say about working here. I feel like part of the Ludlow family.
He's the kind of guy, he'd give you, the shirt off his back.
This is one of the best jobs I've ever had in my life.
But Jim's been a good addition for sure, and he enjoys himself.